Hello all, welcome to Public Cloud Design Tips and Tricks again. So today's topic is Azure Cognitive Services Translator. The background is language cognitive service. So this is a language cognitive service that provides NLP features to understand and analyze text. So what is Azure Cognitive Service? So Azure Cognitive Service is a set of APIs that can be used in AI applications. So it provides pre-trained model to use within your applications, and it is based on deep learning algorithms by Microsoft research team. Now, what are the benefits? The benefits are the development effort reduces to a great extent by using this, easy integration using REST interfaces, and it is easy to bring AI capabilities to the app. So these are the benefits. And what all categories are there? Language, speech, vision, decision services, applied AI services, and open AI services. So these are the categories. Now coming to what is Azure Cognitive Service for language is it is a cloud-based offering with NLP capability. Okay, and it deals with understanding and analyzing text. It provides APIs, libraries, and developers studio to the developer for easy development and integration. Okay, and what is translator service again? So it is a translation service that provides text to text APIs. Okay, so that is how cognitive service for translator you can define. Now, more into this. So, translator service is a cloud-based neural machine translation service. Okay, so that is translator service, and it is used to build intelligent multi-language solutions for your application across supported language. Okay, so what all languages are supported? Please refer the link from Microsoft. So that will provide you a list of language that is being supported in the translator service. Now, what it provides or what it supports basically. So let's go through one by one. Text translation. So text translation is between supported source and target languages in real time. Document translation. So it translate a uh, you know, batch of statement or complex files while preserving the structure and format of the original document. Translation deals with building customized models to translate domain and industry specific language. From the key terminologies, auto language detection within the translator service, there are key terminologies, and let's go through one by one. Auto language detection is a service. A service can detect source text language. Profanity filter, it allows to add profanity filter with the translation. What is dictionary? Dictionary provides a list of phrases and sentences and their translation. Glossary is a list on instructions of words or phrases in two languages, instructing the services how to translate exactly. Transliterate, it converts from one type of script to another type of script. For example, Japanese. Now there are two kind of models. Those are possible in translator service. Those are standard model and custom model. What is standard model? So it's a one-step process where you have already a pre-trained model, and then that pre-trained model will take an input text, and that it converts into the target language text. So that is the standard model. Custom model is similar, but it goes through two steps basically. So the first step is you have to train your model first, and the trend model is nothing but a custom model. So that that creates a custom model with your training data, and once you have a custom model, then you can provide input with your text, and that will convert it to a language, target language basically, and it uses neural machine translation. So that is how it works. Now this is a reference architecture how a translator service architecture looks like actually. So the if you see the diagram, then within the Azure you have translator service, and then to use that translator service or translator API, basically we have a web application, and that web application is being used by the on-prem application. Okay, so with a private connectivity, it connects to that particular web application, and that web applications uses a key vault with a private link endpoint to get a resource key which is used for the authentication, and using that resource key it calls the API of the translator service, again use the private link endpoint, and the translator service with proper authentications using the resource key, it provides it it takes the input text, and then it translate using the translator service, and those output are provided in a JSON format, and that JSON format then can be encrypted using a customer managed key. So that is how the whole chain works in this architecture, and this is for text translation. Okay, uh, and this is again extension of text translation is the document translation. So here if you see, the same architecture is there, only thing is there is a source blob storage and a target blob storage. So these are used to keep the source or the input document or the file, the batch basically, and using the same architecture, the translator service translates those batch and files and creates their documents and kept it in the target blob storage using customer managed key. So that is, both are similar. One is text translation, one is document translation. So these are, if you want to get more into it, you can always follow the references, and for the pricing also, please follow these uh, sites from Microsoft where you can go through different SKU plans for translator service. Please have a look into it and go deep dive into it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for today.